Hi everyone, hi. Welcome to Brain Booster Institute. So please share the link whichever got the WhatsApp. Please send to your friends and ask them to subscribe. Please support me by asking them to subscribe this our channel. So already I have started this arithmetic classes, and earlier I have started Vedic math class also, but not in live. I have uploaded videos. But very soon, after completion of arithmetic classes, I am going to start reasoning and pure maths and Vedic maths classes and CBSE maths classes. CBSE 10th class I am going to start very soon. Even NTSC also I am going to start. So this may this opportunity may helps to many poor people. So please subscribe our channel, and also please share it to your friends, my dear friends, and my subscribers. So, is my voice is audible to everyone? Please, if my voice is audible to everyone, uh, please type A in the comment box. Please type A in the comment box. Thank you, Cycle and A. Some permanently. Thank you, and thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, Manisha. Thank you, Chaitrika. Thank you, Srinivas Garu. So please share it to your friends. Please share it to your friends. I will be very thankful to you if you share the same message in your status, so that that can be helpful to others. I request you to watch day one class. Yesterday I uploaded in YouTube. Okay, this is the next class of the day one. Good evening, Tanuj. Good evening, Narendra garu. Hi Andy, Narendra garu. Manusri. Good evening. Arvind. Hi. Good evening, Srivalli garu. Good evening, Andy. If anybody wants to get updatation, please, so I think you are finding scrolling on my screen. So there is my number, that is my WhatsApp number. So you can add me, then I will add you in a WhatsApp group, that is free arithmetic crash course WhatsApp group. I will add you, then you will get the updates. And please subscribe our channel, and please press on the bell button, activate the bell button to get the updates. So whenever we live, then you will get a notification. So if you don't press on bell button, if you don't activate your bell button, you won't get any updation from our channel. So that's it. Please, I'm requesting to subscribe and also press on bell button now. So if there are any new students join today, so please type N in the comment box. If there are any new students join in today, please type N in the comment box. Any new student today? Hi Nitesh. Hi Nitesh. How are you? If any new students, please type IN. Srivalli garu. Welcome to Brain Booster Institute. Srinivas garu, welcome to Brain Booster Institute. Ritesh, fine. Arvind, good evening. Arvind garu, good evening andi. So how many of you are clear about yesterday's concept? So how many of you clear about yesterday's concept? So please type clear in the comment box. Sir, how to see live in the Facebook? Sir, Narendra garu, actually I am not conducting live in Facebook. But very soon, I think you have joined in my WhatsApp group. I will send the Facebook link also. So there you can join in the group. There will be another group in the Facebook, that is free arithmetic crash course. Very good. Thank you, Anusri. Clear. Very good. Thank you. Please, I need response from all others. So please type clear in the comment box. Lashmi Kareddy, hi. Lashmi Kareddy, hi. So Tanuj Kumar, thank you. Tanuj Kumar. Vishnu Panda, clear. Thank you, Andy. Nitesh, clear. Manisha, clear. Thank you very much. Please type clear in the comment box. Sai Kiran K, sir, I am clear with yesterday. Thank you, Mr. Sai Kiran. Thank you, Sai Kiran. Thank you. Yeah. Now let's start our topic today. So yesterday, thank you, Andy. Vijayalakshmi garu, thank you, Andy. Thank you, Andy. Yeah. So please share it, Andy. Please share it to your friends. And ask them to subscribe. Now let's see. So welcome to Arithmetic Crash Course ACC at 45 days. So successfully we have come to the first class yesterday. So we have participated actively, and now today the day 2 program has been started. So yesterday, so by seeing the class, see the good response we have got, my subscribers, my friends, see. So I have especially thanks to Mr. Narendra garu and Pratyusha garu and Hansika. I'm especially thanks to everyone have given good feedback on our class now. So so thanks for supporting a lot to me. Thanks for supporting. This made me encouragement. So thank you very much. So please, after this class, please don't forget to give the feedback in the group only. Then so that I can improve myself and I can improve more class. I can add more concepts. So the ideas and suggestions are also acceptable. So yesterday we have learned the ratio and proportion. So just go through with yesterday's class. So we have learned what is ratio and what is inverse ratio and what is duplicate ratio, subduplicate, triplicate, subtriplicate ratio and compound ratio and proportion, fourth proportion and third proportion and mean proportion. So these are all we'll learn. These are all we'll learn. So even we have seen two models also. We have seen the two models. May I know the what is inverse ratio of 4:3? Anybody answer? Please type in the comment box. What is inverse ratio? 4:3 inverse ratio, 4:3. Please type in the comment box. Thank you, Anusha. Thank you very much. 3:4. Right. So may I know the what is duplicate ratio of 3:4? Duplicate ratio of 3:4. Duplicate ratio of 3:4. Thank you, Tanuj Kumar. Very good. Very good, Tanuj Kumar. Sai Kumar, very good. Namaste, Chandrasekhar garu. Namaste andi. Nitish, if one quantity increases, the other quantity decreases. Nitish, I think you are absent yesterday. Ansika 3:4. Ansika. Srinivasulu garu. Good andi. Thank you andi. Ansika 3:4. Thank you. Tanuj Kumar. Right, duplicate ratio of 3:4 is 3 square is to 4 square is nothing but 9:16. 9:16. Very good, Vishnu garu. Thank you andi. Vishnu garu, very good andi. Right, Anusri, thank you Amma, thank you. Right. So how many of you excited to learn more shortcut techniques? So yesterday we have learned an amazing shortcut technique to solve all the problems. So how many of you excited? Please type in the comment box. How many of you excited? Very good, very good, very good. So many of you excited. Very good. Thank you very much. So now let's start. So I don't want to waste your time and our time. Let's see. The model number three. Model number three. Yesterday we have learned two models. Now let's learn the model number three. So the model number three is A is equal to B is equal to 3C. Then the find A is to B is to C. A is to B is to C. So the my dear subscribers, my dear friends and my dear students, see A is equal to B is equal to 3C, then A is to B is to C. So this is the beautiful model. We need to solve A is to B is to C. Already yesterday we have seen one shortcut technique. So very simple, my dear students. See A is equal to B. Now A is equal to B. Just B send this side. It becomes denominator. Now that is equal. So only there will be 2. As there is no any denominator can be taken 1. And the thing now B is equal to 3C. And the C send this side. It becomes denominator B by C. Then we get here 3 by 1. Means A is to B is equal to 2 is to 1. And B is to C is equal to 3 is to 1. Now very simple method. I told you the shortcut technique. What is mirror image of n? Okay, very simple. Let me take another one. Now 2 into 3 the 6, 1 into 3 3, and 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So the answer is 6 is to 3 is to 1. Very simple. 6 is to 3 is to 1. So very simple. The same formula we need to use here. Same formula. So please take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot. Very simple and ఈ ఫార్ములాకు I think anybody Telugu medium people is there. శ్రీనివాసులు గారు ఇట్లా మనము శ్రీనివాసులు గారు ఆర్ యూ కంఫర్టబుల్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఆర్ తెలుగు? శ్రీనివాసులు గారు ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ. Right. See here, what is see? We can't cancel the 6 and 3 is to 1 here. So you may get some confusion here. Sir, 3 and 6 can be cancelled, but here see, my dear students, there are 3 terms in the ratio. So compulsory we need to cancel these 3 terms here. We need to cancel the 3 terms. We can't cancel any of 2, any of 2. For example, 3 and 6 get cancellation, but we don't have right to cancel as 1 doesn't go in 3 table. So that if you want to cancel compulsory, that should be cancel all the 3 terms. All the 3 terms. కాబట్టి శ్రీనివాసులు గారు, సో ఇక్కడ మనము ఈ 2 టర్మ్స్ని క్యాన్సిల్ చేయలేమండి. ఎందుకంటే ఈ రేషియోలో 3 ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి, 3 పదాలు ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 3 పదాలను కూడా ఒకే సంఖ్యతో క్యాన్సిల్ చేసే విధంగా ఉంటుంది మనకి ఇక్కడ. ఎందుకంటే ఏ 2ని కూడా మనం క్యాన్సిల్ చేసే హక్కు లేదు ఇక్కడ. రైట్ రైట్ ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ శ్రీనివాసులు గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. So as most of the students are in English medium students, that's why I'm continuing in English. If anybody wants in Telugu, middle of the class, sometimes I'll use the Telugu also, nothing to worry. Okay. Bhasha means the language is only just a communication between student and teacher. మనం ఏ టీచర్ అయితే పిల్లవానికి ఒక స్టూడెంట్కి అర్థమయ్యే వాళ్ళు చెప్తాడో, ఇంజెక్ట్ చేస్తాడో తనే అసలైన టీచర్. Am I correct, Srinivasulu garu? Right. So please take the screenshot. Let's go to the other problem now. Now the model number 4. Model number 4. Say 3 is equal to B, 4B is equal to 3C. Then the find A is to B is to C. The find A is to B is to C. Very simple. So yeah, 3A is equal to 2B. 3A is equal to B. Very simple, my friends. B send this side and 3 send that side. By sending to the B this side, then we get here A by B is equal to, then 3 send this side, then we get here 2 by 3. And again here also C send this side and 4 send this side. By sending to the C this side becomes denominator. Now B by C is equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Now the same, we have the 2 ratios. A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3, and B is to C is equal to 3 is to 4. Now the same, let's follow the n. 2 3s are 6, and again 3 3s are 9, and again 3 fours are 12. I think 6, 9, 12. See, these are the multiples of the same number. We can cancel in 3 table here. So we can cancel, my dear friends. See, 3 2s are 6, and 3 3s are 9, and 3 4s are 12. So the answer is 2 east 3 east 4. And this is the one method of solving this problem. Okay, well, one more thing, one more technique also there. For example, if you see here, my dear friends, the b terms are same. Whenever the b terms are same, no need to follow this problem also. Directly you can write here 2 east, right? I'm writing 2, and as there are the b terms are same, directly you can write 3, and directly you can write 4 here. That is finish. Whenever the b terms are there, there are b terms, then easily we can follow the same step here. Direct. Okay. So why do we follow this ultra-n problem, ultra-n method? Why? Because to make b terms are equal. But already there are all equal terms, so that's why no need to follow this. Directly you can write here. Directly you can write. Is it clear, everyone? Please type E in the comment box. Please type E in the comment box. Thank you, Tanush. Thank you very much. Thank you, Thingandi. See, whenever there are 4 terms, the same thing I'm writing. Then A is to B is equal to 3 is to 5, and B is to C is equal to 4 is to 7, and again C is to D is equal to 3 is to 2, and just see, my dear friends, see, 3 is to 5, 4 is to 7, and 3 is to 2. Whenever we have the 4 ratios like this, very simple, this method is called 101 method. What do we call? 101 method. Okay, very simple. First you multiply the all the numbers here, then what do you get here? 3 4s are 12, 3 into 4 into 3 into 3 and east, and again 5 into 4 into 3, 5 into 4 into 3, and again 5 into 7 into 3, east, and again 5 into 7 into 2, 5 into 7 into 2. Very simple. Once again I explain. See, 3 into 4 into 3 and 5 into 4 into 3. So this is the first step. This is the first step. First step, we need to multiply 3 and 4 and 3, and the second step we need to multiply 5 and 4 and 3, and third step and 5 and 7 and 3, and the fourth step we need to multiply 5 7 2, last one. So just multiply 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36, and east 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60, and again 5 7s are 5 7s are 35, 35 3s are. What would be the 35 3s are? What is the answer? 35 3s are. 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 105, and east 5 7 35 into 2, the 70. So 36 east 60 east 105 east 70 is the final answer. So very easiest method andi. Okay, once I'll explain, please take the screenshot. See, once I explain this, so 3 is to 5, and again 4 is to 7, and again 3 is to 2. 3 is to Jayanthanai, good evening. Jayanthanai, good evening. Very simple. Why I call as 101C? See, the first step, let me explain with the see, the first step, this is means the first to multiply 3, 4, and 3. 3 into 4 into 3 we have got here. And the second step, see, 5 into 4 into 3. This is second step. 5 into 4 into 3. And the third step, 5 into 7 into 3. 5 into 7 into 3. And the fourth step, 5, 7, 2. 5 into 7 into 2. So what you are seeing, see, if you see this shape here, 1 at 1. That's why I written 1 at 1 here. Okay, is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Do I need to explain one more time? Hi Mustafa, hi Mustafa. Is it clear? If it is clear, please type C in the comment box. Please type C in the comment box. Please type C in the comment box. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now let's go to the next problem. Model number 6. Find the fourth proportion of 6, 8, 9. So how many of you can say what is the formula to find fourth proportion of 6, 8, 9? Fourth proportion of 6, 8, 9. How many of you can say what is the formula to find fourth proportion of 6, 8, 9? So please watch the day 1 video and this is day 2 video. మీరు day 2 వీడియోని కనుక వాచ్ చేసినట్లయితే మీకు ఈ fourth proportion formula అని తెలుస్తుంది మీకు. Okay, let me write here the fourth proportion formula. So let's see here. This is called as here whenever a comma b comma c d are in proportional. Now d is known as fourth proportion. D is known as the fourth proportion. Then the formula is equal to D is equal to BC by A. D is equal to BC by A. Then let us assume these three values are A comma B comma C. Now the substitute A, B, C values here. Now B is equal to 8 into C is 9 by A is 6. Now let's cancel. 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, and 2 1s, 2 4s. Then what will be the answer? Now fourth is 12. Then the 12 is the fourth proportion of the 6, 8, 9. Thank you, Vijayalakshmi garu. Thank you, Andy. Vishnu Panda garu, A into D is equal to B into C. Right. Now please take the screenshot. Now find the third proportion of 4, 6. Third proportion of 4 comma 6. Third proportion. Very simple. I already told you if here C is the third proportion. Now whenever A, B, C are in proportional, A comma B comma C are in proportional, here C is known as third proportion and B is known as the second proportion. Now the C is equal, the formula is B square by A. Now let us assume that this is A and this is B, and then substitute these values. Then B is nothing but 6 square by and 4. Now 6 is 36 by 4. Now 4 ones, 4 nines. The answer would be 9. So the third proportion of 4 comma 6 is equal to 9. Please take the screenshot. Now the next one, see, find the mean proportion of 16 comma 9. The same, my dear students, whenever AB and BC are in a proportion, A comma B and B comma C are in proportion, B is known as mean proportion. So మీరు గనక ఎప్పుడు ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ తెలియాలంటే then please watch day 1 video, so you will get the complete formula. So AB and BC అండి, then the B square is equal to AC, this is the formula. Then B is equal to under root of AC. So let us assume this is A and C. Now the B is equal to under root of A and C, down 16 into, then C is equal to 9. Then whereas 16 nines are 144, the square root of 144 is nothing but again 12 we have got. So 12 is the mean proportion of 16 comma 9. Mean proportion of 16 comma 9. ఏంటంటే 9 అంటే విజయలక్ష్మి గారు, విజయలక్ష్మి గారు, పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ గారు, so last answer, I think last answer. Okay. So 16 into 9, 16 nines are 144. Now the square root of 144 is equal to 12. The next one, see, model number 7. Find the inverse ratio of 3:4:5. Everyone can find the inverse ratio of the whenever there are two terms. Okay, for example, the inverse ratio of 2:3 is nothing but 3:2. Easily we can find here. But whenever there are three terms, I already have given the formula in the day 1 class, so you can watch it. Okay, you can watch it. So then if A is to B is to C is a formula, then if inverse ratio of A is to B is to C is 1 by A is 1 by B is 1 by C. By using this formula, we need to find inverse ratio of 3:4:6. Yeah, Vijayalakshmi garu, avunandi, 9th answer correct. Is it clear? Now let's find the inverse ratio of 3:4:6. Now see, then 3:4:6 means here A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 6. Then we get here 1 by 3 is 1 by 4 is 1 by 6. 1 by 6. Thank you, Vishnu garu, thank you. Now but we need to simplify this. We need to simplify. Just you find the LCM of 3, 4, 6 here. Then the LCM of 3, 4, 6 is equal to, I think you might know how to find the LCM. Let's see. 3 ones are 3 and 4, 3 2 the 6 and 2 ones, 2 2 the 4, 2 ones. So 2 2 the 4 and 4 3 the 12. 12 will be the LCM, and 3 table 12 goes 4 times. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 table 12 goes 3 times and 3 ones are 3 and 6 table 12 goes 2 times and 2. So very simple the ratio. Then here this denominator can be avoided. Now then we get here 4:3:12. Why it can be avoided? As there is the common denominator of each and every number, 12 will be get cancellation. Only the will be remain is there 4:3:2. This is the inverse ratio of 3:4:6. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? So please type C in the comment box. C. Please type C in the comment box. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Nan. Thank you very much. Thank you, Ansika. Thank you, Narendra Garu. Thank you, Vijayalakshmi Garu. Thank you, Andy. Now, the next problem. So let us read very careful this question. See, okay, velocities of three cars are in the ratio 10:12:15. So find the ratio of time taken by three cars. Time taken by three cars. Very simple. Almost, my friends, see, the velocities are nothing but speed. If the speed increases, then time taken to travel will be decrease. Am I correct or not? If I am correct, please type C in the comment box. Thank you, Lasa garu. Thank you, Pawan Kalyan garu. Thank you, Pawan Reddy garu. Thank you, Andy. So, velocities of three cars. Whenever speed increases, then speed of car increases, then time taken to travel will be decrease. Isn't it? Whenever speed decreases, then time taken to travel will be increase. So, if you want to go very faster, if you want to go early, then compulsory you need to increase your speed. Okay, so that here, my dear friends, see what we can understand here. Velocity means speed of a particular vehicle is always inversely proportional to time taken to travel. Traveling time will be exactly 1 by t. Nothing but s is nothing but inverse of speed. So here we can understand. So that here what do we need to find? Find the ratio of time taken by three cars. Time taken by three cars. So very simple. Only to find the ratio of time taken by three cars here, only we need to find the inverse ratio of velocities. Only just we need to find inverse ratio of 10:12:15. May I get the answer from you? What is the inverse ratio of 10:12:15? So 1 by 10 is to 1 by 12 is to 1 by 15. Very simple. And find the LCM of 10 is to 12 is to 15. Only why we are finding LCM of these all the three terms, three denominators. Only then to make denominators are equal. Whenever denominators are equal, so all denominators will be cancelled, then only numerator will be remain. So that we need to take the LCM of 10, 12, 15. Let us take LCM. Now we are 5 2's and 12 and 5 3's. Now 3 1's, 2 and 3 4's are 12, 3 1's are 3, and again 2 1's, 2 2's and 1. 2 to the 4, 4 3's are 12, 12 5's are 60. Now the 60. Now 10 table 60 goes 6 times. Directly I am writing here 6. As there is a 1, directly I am writing 6 here. If there is any number, you need to multiply this 6 with this number. But as there is a 1, directly I am writing 6 here. And 1 by 12, 12 table 60 goes 5 times. So 5. And east 15 table 60 goes 4 times. So the answer would be 6 east 5 east 4. How many of you got this answer? If you got same answer, please type G in the comment box. Hi Rupika, hi. Please type G in the comment box. Thank you very much. Now let's see the model number 8. In a class there are 35 blind persons. Find the ratio between boys and girls. Yesterday I already told you, my dear students. See, yesterday I told you what I say. See, we can answer, we can solve in every aptitude test. We can solve the problems two types. The first type is by seeing the options, and the second type is without seeing the options. Okay, by seeing the options, directly we can write the answers by seeing the options, but without seeing the options compulsory we need to the exact concept here. So now let's see what is the concept now. See, my dear says, in a class there are 35 blind persons. Find the ratio between boys and girls. Yes, there are only 35 blind persons. So how many boys are there and how many girls are there among 35? We don't know. That's why in such type of this problem, then compulsory we need to see the options. We need to see the options. Let's see the options now. The options are like this, that are A 8 is to 7, B 7 is to 1, C 5 is to 7, D 2 is to 3. By seeing these four options, we need to select here. Only the thing is very simple technique we need to use here. Very simple technique. Can anybody say what is exact answer of these four options now? Vijayalakshmi garu C 5 is to 7, 5 is to 7. B Pawan Kalyan selected B option. And what about others? What about others? Ansika 5 is to 7. Crazy last year. D answer. Vishnu Panda garu C. Good. So most of the students are responding. Very simple, Andy. Very simple. So here 35 blind persons. Find the ratio between the boys and girls. Very simple, Andy. What is the simple technique we need to use here? The given number is 35. Whenever we don't have any sufficient data here to find the number of boys and number of girls, the ratio between boys and girls here, very simple. This 35 only that we need to select, then the ratio of the terms whose sum is factor of 35. Whose sum is factor of 35. All every see here, those who are watching this video, everyone selected 5 is to 7, which is absolutely wrong. Absolutely wrong. Okay, so here 5 plus 7 is equal to 35. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12, where 12 is not a factor of 35, and 8 plus 7 is also not a factor of 35. 7 plus 1 is equal 8 is not a factor of 35. Only the thing is 2 is to 3, then 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, which is factor of 35. Then the answer would be, why there is need of selecting only the ratio whose terms gives factor of 35. Factor of 35. For example, I am taking to find the number of boys here. For example, I am taking 8 is to 7 in the example. 8 is to 7, for example. 8 is to 7 is equal to 15. Okay, now 15. Now let's find the boys options. Number of boys. The number of boys is equal to, we don't know what exact, then just divide 35 by 15. Can we cancel this? We can cancel 5 3 the 5 7 the. Now the 7 by 3, we are getting here decimal fractions. Is it not? So we don't know what is the exact number of boys here. That's why 8 is to 7 may not be support to us. 8 is to 7. In the same, similarly 7 is to 1 also. 5 is to 7 also. When then the whose terms sum of whose terms gives the factor of 35, then may be support. For example, if you see the 2 is to 3, then the sum is 5. Then if you divide 35 by 5, then we get a 5 ones are 5 7 are. Very simple. So like this, we can do my students see. Okay. So just to see the factor, just to see the factor here. And the next one, see. Same question. In a class, the ratio between boys and girls is 4 is to 7. Then find the total strength. Find the total strength. So in a class, the ratio between boys and girls is 4 is to 7. Find the total strength. I think we need options. Very simple. In the 13th question, we have the total strength as given, and we have found the ratio between boys and girls, but you only just reverse. Here the boys and girls ratio as given, then we need to find the total strength. However, we have seen whose sum is the factor of the sum, factor of total strength. Here the same. Here 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. By adding these two terms, we get 11. So we need to select that whose for which number the 11 will be the factor, or which is the multiple of 11 should be selected here. So which is the multiple of 7. So that's why which is the multiple of 11. The 11 multiple of 11 is nothing but 88. So 88 is the absolute correct answer. So which is the total strength here? Why do we need to add 2 plus 3, sir? Very good. Last year, good doubt you have asked. Okay, good doubt. So why do we add? See, the total strength, for example, 35. Then it's been divided into some boys and girls. But the boys or girls are in the ratio of 2 is to 3. So the completely two parts of the total strength are the boys, and the three parts of total strength are the girls. So means the 2 parts of 35 are boys, and 3 parts of 35 are the girls. So that by adding these 2 parts only we get the total strength. So that we need to add here 2 plus 3. And also, if you go to the traditional mathematics problem, now your 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. Okay. For example, now 2x plus 3x is equal to so 35. Now 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. Now 5x is equal to 35. Now x is equal to 35 by 5. Now 5 ones, 5 sevens. Now x is equal to 7. Now directly we can find the number of boys and number of girls. So by using this traditional method, so compulsory we need to add these 2 terms here. I think, is it clear, Lasya? Please, if it is clear, please type C in the comment box. Thank you, Pawan Reddy garu. Thank you, Andy. Please type C in the comment box. Thank you, Lasha. Thank you. Now let's go to 15th problem. In a class, number of boys is 5 times the number of girls. Then find the total strength of the class. Find the total strength of the class. So these are the options. Who can say the answer? Anybody expect the answer? In a class, number of boys is 5 times the number of girls. Means number of boys is equal to 5 times the number of girls. Is it not? 5 times is nothing but by multiplying 5 with the number of girls, then we get the number of boys. Is it? So that B is equal to 5G, then B by G is equal to 5 by 1. Means here B is to Z. Means the ratio between boys and girls is equal to 5 is to 1. 5 is to 1. Now tell me the answer. Find the total strength of the class. Whether A or B or C or D. Right, very good Nitesh, very good. The D is absolute correct answer. Why? Because by adding the two terms of these two, the ratio 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Then yeah, the 90, among these four options, 90 is only the multiple of 6. So that D is the correct answer. Very good Vishnu gar, very good Andy, very good. Very good Andy. Lasha, very good. Ansika, C. Ansika is not C. Nitesh, D. Any more other answers? Any more other answers? Lasha, very good. D. Good అండి విజయలక్ష్మి గారు గుడ్ అండి. Manisha, very good, very good. Right, thank you Andy. And the next one, see, model number 9. The total cost price of mobile and TV is 65,000 rupees and the ratio is 8:5. Then find the cost price of each. Find the cost price of each. Very simple. The total price he has given means the 65,000 rupees is nothing but is the sum of cost price of mobile, cost price of TV. Now 65,000 rupees and the ratio is 8:5 and then the cost price of each. Last year, just now you asked the doubt why do we need to add all the things here. So you will get clarification, more clarification here. Okay. So to find the cost price of each means we need to find the cost price of mobile and cost price of TV. To find the cost price of mobile, here see, just add here 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Then the mobile is 8 times the parts of 65,000. So then we can write here the 8 by the total parts is equal to 13. Okay, into 65,000. Into 65. Just cancel this 13 with the 65,000. Now 13 ones are 13 5s are 65 and 000. Now 8 5s are 40 and 000. Then the cost price of mobile is equal to 40,000 rupees. So can anybody expect what would be the cost price of TV? What would be the cost price of the TV? Right, very good Lasa, very good, very good. Asha is not a 15,000. Once check some. Please check the sum. Anybody? Can I expect any answer from other? What will be the cost of TV? What will be the cost of TV? 25,000. Very good, Vishnu garu. Very good and very good. Very good, Vishnu garu. 25,000. Any more answers from anybody? Any more answers? Good, Vijayalakshmi Garandi, very good Andi. And Manisha, very good. Ansika, this is 40,000 rupees is already we have got a mobile. As there is a 65,000 rupees is the sum of cost price of mobile and TV. And already the mobile cost is 40,000 rupees. Then rest of the price from the 65,000 will be cost price of TV. Yes, last year 25,000 exact answer. Correct answer. So 25,000 rupees, right? Satyanarayana garu 25,000 andi. 25,000. 25 also can be right. 25k. Only just subtract this 40,000 from 65,000. You will get the cost price of TV. Just subtract. We get here 25,000. 25,000 is the correct answer. Okay. Or else you can find the cost price of TV by using this method also. See, this here the TV spot is 5 parts of the times. Now the 5 by then the total parts are 13 into the total cost is 65,000. Now 13 ones, 13 fives. Now 5 fives are 25,000. And we got same answer. We got correct answer. So 25,000 rupees. Is it? 25,000 rupees. So is it clear this problem? Please type C in the comment box. Please type C in the comment box. Please type C in the comment box. Thank you, Chaitrika. Thank you very much. Please take the screenshot. Thank you, and Vijay Garu. Thank you, Manisha. Thank you, Ansika. Thank you, Lasya. Thank you, Vishnu Garu. Thank you, Andy. If anybody not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe this channel. Please subscribe. Please 1 second, Andy. Please 1 second. Thank you, Vishnu Garu. Thank you. And the next one, the total number of hockey and cricket players. The total number of hockey and cricket players in a district is 62,500. If the ratio between hockey players and cricket players is 16:9, then how many of them play cricket? How many of them play cricket? Very simple. The hockey and cricket players in a district players is 62,500. 62,500. If the ratio between hockey players and cricket players is 16:9, then how many of them only play cricket? Okay, the same model only, the same model. However, we just now we found the mobile TV cost and TV cost, mobile and TV cost here. The same, only just we need to find the hockey players and cricket player. So only play cricket. So here 16:9. 16:9 is nothing but hockey player and cricket player. And one more thing, only you need to remind in the whenever you are doing These type of the problems, whenever you're doing the ratio problem, order of the terms are the most important. And order of the terms I already told in the first class. Okay, so here the number of hockey and cricket players and the ratio between hockey players and cricket player means the first term shows hockey and the second term shows cricket players. I think got my point. Thank you, Nitesh. Very good, very good. So that, so your hockey players are 16 times of the all the terms, complete players in the town or district, sorry, and the 9 times is shown represented by number of cricket players here. So that the 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. Then as we need to find the number of cricket players here, the cricket players are 9 times here, then 9 by the total times is equal to 25 into the total players. Now 62,500. Just cancel. Now 25 once, 25 is 625 and double zero. Now just 2,500 into 9, just multiply here. And what do you answer? 9 5s are 45 and 9 2s are 18 plus 4 22 and double zero. So the answer is 22,500. So there are 22,500 cricket players in the district here. Are you a cricket player or a hockey player? Are you a cricket player or a hockey player? Are you a cricket player or a hockey player? Very good, Vishnu garu, very good andi. Very good, 40,000 hockey player. Vijayalakshmi garu, very good andi. 40,000 hockey players. So most probably see in the of 62,500 there are 22,500 are cricket players. Then the rest of the players will be play hockey. It's okay. Yeah, I'm asking, are you a hockey player or a cricket player? Cricket player Renu Raj. Cricket player Raj garu. It is cricket, very good. Vijayalakshmi garu, 2,25,000 you wrote. Chaitrika, 40,000. What is 40,000, Chaitrika? What is 40,000? Hockey players there are. 40,000 hockey players. Vijayalakshmi garu, cricket player. Right. The next one, see. So the answer would be A. Now the model number 10. In a class there are 85 students. If the ratio between boys and girls is 9:8, then how many more boys are there in the class than the class? How many more boys are there than the class? The total strength is 85 students. The ratio between boys and girls is 9:8. Then how many more boys are there than the class? Oh, okay. It's not a issue of sorry and Vijayalakshmi garu. It's not a issue of sorry. Everyone makes mistakes. Even sometimes I also make mistakes. Okay. Making mistake is nothing but don't nothing to not knowing the concept that okay. Sometimes we make mistakes here. We make mistakes. As we are a human being, we usually make the mistake. Hi Sai Krishna. Hi. First you said hi. Crazy Lasha 70, Vishnu Panda 5, Crazy Lasha, Vishnu Panda. Right. Now let's see. There are 85 students. Total students are 85. Total are 85. And the ratio between boys and girls, just add 9 and 8 is equal to 17. And how many boys are there in the class? Okay, how many boys are there? Very simple, my students. See, we need to find here. Means just to subtract these two terms here. Then we get here 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. The difference of the parts of boys and girls is equal to 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So the sum of 9 and 80 is equal to 17. Means this sum of 9 and 8 means nothing but number of boys and number of girls. If the 17 times of the total strength is equal to 85, then we need to find then 1 times of total strength is how much. We need to find this here. If the 17 times of 85, if 17 times of total strength is 85, then means if 17 times is equal to 85, then 1 time is equal to how many? Why? Because this 1 is the difference of the ratio between the terms between boys and girls here. So that's what. Then what do we need to do? What do we need to do? Then we need to solve this, my students. See, just divide 85 with 17. Then let's divide. Now 17. Now 17 ones, 17 fives. Then answer would be 5. Answer would be 5. So there are 5 more boys than the girls. 5 more boys than the girls. Right, good. Crazy Lasha, good. Satyanarayana garu, good andi. Shiva, good. So already it's been 9:10. Do I need to continue the class or shall I wind up? If you want me to continue the class, please type C in the comment box. Or if you want me to close the class, there same C also is, but wind up W, you can type it. Please type it. If you want me to continue the class, please C for continue, W for wind up. What do you want? C for continue and W for wind up. Please type C if you want me to continue. Thank you, Chaitrika. You selected C. If you want me to wind up, please type W. What about others? Continue, Shiva. Thank you, Andy. What about others? C. Thank you. Thanks for showing interest. మరి అందరూ భోజనం చేశారా? అందరూ భోజనం చేశారా? రేణురాజ్ డబ్ల్యూ, రేణురాజ్. ఐ థింక్ రేణురాజ్ గారు మీరు నిద్ర వస్తున్నట్టుందండి. సో ఏం పర్వాలేదండి. మీకు ఒకవేళ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లేకుంటే, అంటే మీకు నిద్ర వచ్చినట్లయితే మీ కెన్ వైండ్ అప్ అండ్ మీరు రేపు అంటే మీరు మళ్ళీ ఇది మీరు అప్లోడ్ చేస్తే కూడా మీరు తర్వాత చూసుకోవచ్చు. శివ గారు నో. ఓకే రైట్. చైత్రిక has completed. So the 5 is the correct answer. So next model number 11. So this is the final model. So tomorrow let's continue after this model. Okay, right. The first last and final model today. In a class, the ratio between boys and girls is 5:4. If there are 20 boys, then what is the total strength of the class? What is the total strength of the class? Very simple. The given ratio is the 5:4. This is boy is girls. Now if there are 20 boys, means the 5 times of the total strength is equal to 20. Means 5 times of the total strength is 20. Then what do you find? Then what is the total strength of the class? Total strength means 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Total parts is equal to 9 parts. Then if the 5 parts of the strength is 20, then what would be the total strength of the 9 parts? Who can say the answer? Please type. Please type. Please type the answer in the comment box. Thank you, Pawan Reddy garu. Thank you, Andy. Please type the answer. It is clear. If 5 parts of the total strength is 20, then 5 parts of the total strength is 20, then what would be the value of 9 parts? What would be the value of 9 parts? Very simple. 20 by 5 into 9. Now 5 ones, 5 fours, then 4 nines are 36. So 36 is the final answer. The total strength of the class is 36. Very simple, Andy. I think you are getting confusion which we need to divide, which we need to multiply. For example, the cost of the 5 books is 50 rupees. Then what would be the cost of 10 books? This is number of books and cost price of the books. And see, if the cost of the 5 books is 50 rupees, then what would be the cost? Isn't it? Oh, no. Manisha, very good, very good. So that's why, so the 36, the total strength is 36. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Please type in the comment, see in the comment box if it is clear. Please type C in the comment box. Thank you, Andy. Thank you. Thank you, Manisha. Thank you, Vijayalakshmi garu. Thank you, Nityesh garu. Thank you, Pawan Reddy garu. Thank you, Lasya garu. Thank you, Andy. Anshika, thank you. Yeah, thanks, Andy. Thanks. Today we can wind up. Thank you, Manadveep. Thank you. Chaitrika, not clear, sir. Explain once again. Okay, Chaitrika, once again I am going to explain. Very simple. See, the ratio of the boys and girls is 5:4. Now total parts, let's find. The total parts is equal to 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So as there are 20 boys in this class, means the 5 parts of the class is boys. So the 5 parts are is equal to 20. One is very simple. Here we need to make the relation. If the 5 parts are is equal to 20, then the total parts is equal to how much? Then how many parts are equal to? What is the value of 9 parts here? Very simple. Just divide these two. 20 by 5 into 9. Then just cancel this. 5 ones are 5 fours are. Now 4 nines are 36. So 36 is the final answer now. Shiva, thank you. Thank you very much, Shiva. Nitesh, thank you. Manadveep, thank you. Is it clear, Chaitrika? Is it clear? Right. Thank you, Chaitrika. Okay, my dear subscribers, thanks for supporting me. So please share it, share this video to everyone. So I'm going to upload within a minute. So tomorrow we shall meet at the same time. We shall meet. Okay. Here I am going to ask one more question to you with before winding up. Is this correct time from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. or shall I start from 7 p.m. or 7:30 p.m.? Sir, will you take Vedic Mathematics crash course like this future? Yes, last year. Yes, exactly. I will take it. I will take it. Thank you, Manajdeep. Thank you, Nitesh. Yes, last year I will take it. Vedic Mathematics also. Even I have correct time, sir. Correct time. Thank you, Vijayalక్ష్మి గారు. ఎందుకంటే చాలామంది 8 వరకు ఏదో పనులు ఉంటాయి, లేదా ఏదో మీకు స్టూడెంట్స్ అయితే హోంవర్క్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, అవన్నీ పనులు కూడా మీకు చేసుకోవచ్చు. 8 తర్వాత చాలామంది ఫ్రీ అవుతారు. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు చాలామంది ఏంటంటే భోజనం కూడా ఇప్పుడు 7 8 లోపే చేస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి మంచి భోజనం చేసి చక్కగా కూర్చోండి. చక్కగా కూర్చొని మంచిగా స్వామి గారు థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి స్వామి గారు. హౌ ఆర్ యూ స్వామి గారు? థ్యాంక్ యూ, థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ మీ టు కంటిన్యూ బై 7 o'clock. పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ గారు, తర్వాత హన్సిక ఆల్సో సేయింగ్ 7 to 8. సార్ విల్ యూ గివ్ సమ్ మోర్ క్వశ్చన్స్ టు డూ సార్? వై నాట్, వై నాట్, వై నాట్? షూర్లీ ఐ విల్ గివ్, షూర్ షూర్. సో విజయలక్ష్మి గారు, ఆర్ యూ ఇన్ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్? ఆర్ యూ ఇన్ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్? మీరు ఒకవేళ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్లో లేనట్లయితే మీరు ఇప్పుడు వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ నేను సెండ్ చేస్తానండి. వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ నేను కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో పెడుతున్నాను. సో ఉన్నారా? ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. సో ఒక్కసారి మీకు నేను అందులో వాట్సాప్లో పంపిస్తాను. ఇఫ్ ఎనీబడి ఈజ్ నాట్ ఇన్ ద వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్, ప్లీజ్ జాయిన్ ద వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్. సో మీకు స్క్రోలింగ్ అవుతుంది స్క్రీన్ మీద 7989804600. ఇది నా వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్ అండి. ఐ మీన్ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్. వెరీ గుడ్ విజయలక్ష్మి గారు. సో అందులో మీరు అందులో మీకు అన్ని అప్డేట్స్ వస్తూ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, వీక్లీ ఈవెన్ నేను ఐఎమ్ ప్లానింగ్ టు ఆన్లైన్ టెస్ట్ ఆల్సో. ఐఎమ్ ప్లానింగ్ ఆన్లైన్ టెస్ట్. సో ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు స్టార్ట్. సో కాబట్టి ప్లీజ్ నాకు మీ నుంచి కావాల్సిన సపోర్ట్ ఒకటే అండి. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అవర్ ఛానల్. ప్లీజ్ షేర్ ఇట్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఓకే, సో ఇది మనకు రేపు ఎల్లుండి పోయేటువంటి 2 రోజుల్లో పోయేటువంటి జర్నీ కాదండి, 45 days జర్నీ. ఓకే, సో ప్లీజ్ షేర్ ఇట్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ అండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీవన్. ఓకే, bye. Tomorrow we shall meet the same time, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m.